Hey everyone! Today, we're tackling a common issue resetting the tire pressure. Light on a 2020 to 2024 Toyota 4Runner. If that pesky tire pressure light won't go away, don't worry, I've got you covered. So let's get started. Step 1. Stop the vehicle and adjust the tire inflation pressure recommended on the tire placard. Step 2. Turn on your car. Step 3. Use the navigation button and go to the Gear tab menu. Step 4. Scroll down to find the Vehicle Settings menu and then press the OK button to enter. Step 5. Scroll down and enter to TPWS Setting menu. Step 6. Highlight the Setting Pressure menu and then hold down the OK button until the resetting is complete and you're done. And that's it! You've successfully reset your tire pressure light. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DIY car tips. Drop a comment if you have any questions. I'm happy to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.